Under this video, we'll work together on setting up MDBootstrap framework under our Angular project. So you can see that this framework is capable of interacting with jQuery, React, Angular, and is based on Bootstrap. So you have different capabilities to work with if you're trying to integrate a UI version for your system. So this is the main page, and it has a bunch of components that I can show you here. You're free to interact with them and basically study them. And our focus is to install this MDBootstrap framework under our Angular app. So this quick installation guide will help us set things up together. So as a prerequisite, you need to have Node.js and Angular CLI installed. You should skip this manual installation process and go a bit down. And go under this section. So for the first step, create new Angular project. We already handled this in the previous video where we created the front-end Angular project. And since we are using MDB Angular version 9 and later, we need to install the Angular CDK package. So let's do this. So under our project, new terminal, and install this package. Of course, MDBootstrap has a free and paid version, and we'll use the free version for our contact form. Okay, this package has been installed. Now let's move back and install the MDB Angular free version of this framework. Let's copy this command, paste it here, and of course run it. Wait for the corresponding packages to be installed. Now we need to update the app module.ts to take into account the MDBootstrap module. First we need to of course import this module from Angular Bootstrap MD. So I copied this command, and under app module ts, let's just paste it. And of course under the import section, we need to copy this for root command and paste it here. Now as a next step, we need to update the styles and scripts in Angular JSON. So first we copy the style section. So under Angular JSON, you can see the styles array here. Let's remove this and paste the specific section for taking into account the MDBootstrap framework. And we need to do the same for the script section. So the scripts array is empty, and we need these two GS files. Now we need to install several components such as chart, font awesome, hammer.js, animate CSS. using the npm install command. Okay, that's great. It has been installed. Now we need to review that under package.json we have the Angular Bootstrap MD in place and all the other libraries that we set up using these commands. And you see now that we have an issue over here. In order to fix this, we need to restart the application and run the npm start for the Bootstrap for the MDBootstrap module to be taken into account. Now all data will be compiled and the project works as expected. We have the app works page in place. So we're good to go.